guys, I hope you're having a really good day. I found another farm book that I wanted to read to you. Let's go through the book and look at the pictures real quick. Let's turn the page. What is that? Does anyone know what that is? It's a barn. What do animals do in a barn? They sleep and they eat. Let's see if we can find some farm animals. What about this? What's that? A cow. What does a cow say? Moo. What is this? It's a pig or a hog. What does a hog say? Oink, oink, oink. What about this? What's that? It's a dog. And the dog says, ruff, ruff, ruff. And we have a what? A frog. What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What animal is this? It's a chicken. What does a chicken say? Buck, 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 buck. And here's one a little bit harder for some of you. What is that? That's an owl. It says hoo, hoo, hoo. Here's a what? A bat. What does a bat say? I tricked you. I don't know what a bat says. If you know what a bat says, I want you to tell me. I want to hear it. What about this? What's that? It's a cat. What does a cat say? Meow. All right, I have one more little guy. Here's the hardest one of all. What is that? Does anyone know? It's a bug, but what kind of bug is it? Let's read the book and find out. This little bug, well, let me tell you what it's called. The book is called The Flea's Sneeze. Do you know what kind of bug that is now? It's a flea. And the author is Lynn Downey. And here's a new word for you. It's illustrated by Carla Firehammer. Does anyone know what illustrated means? That's the person who drew the pictures. This flea has a cold, and he does a lot of sniffing and achewing, so you might want to get some Kleenex and sniff and achew with him. But make sure you cover your mouth. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, see if you can find the animals. A black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, that's the chicken, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can you cough with him on the cover? No one heard him cough. Poor little guy. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Okay, he's going to sniffle now. Poor little guy. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Poor guy. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the who? Not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, okay, I want you to do it with me. Let's do a really, really big achoo. You ready? Ah, 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 get your Kleenex. Ah! Choo! It scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed, meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who cried, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, woo, 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 and sprayed the hog, who screamed, ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. What does doze mean? Shh, I'm dozing. To doze means to sleep. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Do you think they're going to say except the flea this time? Let's see. The flea, yay! And the mouse he used for a house. The rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat. The cow, the owl, the feathered fowl. Even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except it rhymes with log. Can you figure out what it is? Log and hog. Oh no. No one heard his garble wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no, the pig has it. He got sick too. The little flea got sick and he gave it to the hog. Hopefully nobody else gets it. And I hope that you are well at home too and don't have a cold either. And I enjoyed talking to you, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.